Hi everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I wanted to come on and share a couple of things with you. I got some beautiful happy mail and I wanted to update you on my embroidery project. So I figured I'd come on early in the week and combine them into one video. So hope everybody's doing great. Millie was just here. She'll probably be back up. But first, let's get into my beautiful happy mail. This is from one of my subscribers and a lovely, lovely person. Her name is Lisa and her channel or her Instagram page is Lisa C Creations, which I will link down below. She's a relatively new paper crafter, but very talented, as you can see. So I hope you guys give her a follow. Lisa, thank you so much for my beautiful package. It came in a big box that was filled with tissue paper that I am saving. Beautiful colors of tissue paper. I have it upstairs, so I didn't bring it down. But I mean, just the packaging was wonderful. So I opened it and was so happy to see this beautiful bakery box that Lisa made for me. And this is from Scrap Diva Designs. I'm not sure if it's available or if it's sold out. If it is available, I'll link it down below, or I'll link the product page just in case you want to grab one too, because as Lisa will show you here, this is such a beautiful die set. I've shown it on my channel too, and it just holds so much. It has this beautiful window in the front, and you could decorate it for any occasion. So Lisa made some beautiful Valentine themed happy mail here, and I don't know what paper collection this is. Maybe you could tell me, but I just love these swans. Look how cute they are with the hearts and everything. Oh gosh, I just love this die, all the detailing. And you did a beautiful job constructing this box out of some hot pink sturdy paper, and this paper is so pretty too on the sides. Wow, I love this. And there's a picture of this on Lisa's Instagram too. These roses are absolutely beautiful. I don't think you made these. If you did, let me know, but I think these are pre-made and they just fit perfectly on this box. And then you added some ephemera here with more of the swans, a banner. This banner just looks so nice there. I love how you layered that. And then there's a little postcard here, a pretty bow from Hobby Lobby, and just what a beautiful gift. Thank you, Lisa. I don't know what I did to deserve this, but I am so happy to get it. So let's open it up and take a peek of what's inside. I wanted to show you before we went further that Millie came up here and when I was getting ready to shoot, and she brought her favorite toy. This is her favorite toy, and she dropped it on the box. So I just wanted to let you know that she gave you the stamp of approval. Okay, so first we have, ooh, is this a handmade card? Look at all of those Nuvo drops around here. I think I have that color too. It's like a vintage rose or something like that. Wow, you did beautifully with those Nuvo drops. See that, you guys? Wow, so pretty. Okay, let's open this up and take a look. Made with love, and there's so many pretty like shaker bits on the inside. Oh, so pretty, little pearl beads. Just make the package so fun. Okay, so, oh, this is gorgeous. Happy Heart Day with all the pretty roses. The greenery had such a nice touch. You glittered it up. More beads glued on. And oh, I love this little vintage Valentine image. Some pretty hearts. Oh, are those the ones from Michael's? And then one popped up there. Wow, you are a great paper crafter, Lisa. I know you said that you're new to it, but it looks like you've been doing this a long time. Ooh, a pretty card I can reuse. So goodies in here. Let's take a look at this. Ooh, a package of fun little things. Remember, well, I used to go by Jen's Fun Little Things, so that's why I always say that. Okay, ooh, this is one of those, I forget where those stickers come from. It's from a collection, I'm pretty sure. Let's open this up. Ooh, it's very sticky. That's great because there are a lot of goodies inside. Oh, this is some, I think this is Hobby Lobby sequins, Valentine sequins. So in here, I'll just move it out a little bit. Oh, we've got the little rosettes. I think those are, maybe you made those. I remember seeing ones like from Hobby Lobby like that, but maybe you made those. Okay, so, and then these are little like fabric hearts you could add to your projects. Oh, a strawberry bead. They're just stuck to the foam tape there, which is fine. It looks like a little embellishment, doesn't it? Like a little cluster. Sorry if I wasn't in frame there. And then we've got, let's see, just move you guys over a little bit. I will dump a few things out so we can see. Oh, buttons. Love the buttons. Love, love, love buttons. Oh, that's so cute. Little sign that says spring. Spring this way. God, please, I hope so. Oh, what's this? A little paper clip. Oh, and it's got a little embellishment on it already. That's so cute. I love it. Oh, a few of those too. Where'd you get these? Did you make them or did they come like that? That's so cute. I love how tiny they are. Got a little unicorn cat. Yeah, that's a unicorn, right? Yeah, looks like it. Little jingle bells. Oh, that's going to attract Millie. And then, oh, some little flowers. Oh, I love these flowers with little strawberries on them. Those are so cute. Those would make beautiful bow centers, I think. And let's see. Oh, I love these flowers too. These are so pretty. Just small enough to add to your embellishments without, you know, making it too bulky or anything like that. There's so many goodies in here and all the colors I love. Just perfect for Valentine's Day. I love all the little hearts. What's this one look like? This one is just like a translucent heart. It's got some silver flecks in there. So pretty. Oh, I love all these goodies. Thank you. I could look at these all day. Let's take a look at this one too. Oh, there's cherries. Here she comes. Millie, look. Our friend Lisa sent us some stuff. Oh, she's got to inspect the inside. Oh, look at that heart. That's so cute. Excuse me, I had to cough. Okay, so that's a blue heart. It says love on it. Millie's sniffing everything. I knew you would want those jingle bells. And there's some butterflies. You like those, Mill? Oh, yeah. I'm just going to look down through the package. Look at the, wait, I have to see that, the cherries that I just mentioned before. I forgot about. Millie, don't you eat that. Okay, so these are like sugared cherries. Look how cute that is. Oh, I love that. No, cannot eat. Mm-mm. No, no. Be a good girl. Oh, Millie, she is so funny. Love this cat, but she is like a toddler. Okay, so let's keep going into the box. I'm going to move this over so Miss Millie doesn't eat the flowers. Okay, so we have, oh, this is, I think this is the KSCRAFT die, right? It's like the, what's it called? The large pocket tag, something like that. But as you can see, it's got, it's a tag and it has a few different pockets on the inside. So we're going to open this up. Yes, you can sniff, Millie, but that's it. Oh, and look at all the, I love all the little sprinkles everywhere. So I'm going to open it over the box because some sprinkles might fall out. What do you think, Mel? It's nice, right? Ooh, oh, it's so pretty. Okay, you can look, but don't touch. It's like talking to a toddler, really. And she doesn't listen to me like a toddler. So anyway, oh, this is so pretty. I love the ribbons. Billy likes it too. We've got some beautiful little flowers. Looks like you probably made those. Those are beautiful. And what collection is that? I don't, please let me know. I think it's the same as the front. And we've got the little ephemera with the cherries. The beautiful ribbon that's a XOXO. There's some sheer ribbons, some cream color satin ribbon. No, we don't know. You see that? She's trying to take my pencil. Love this pencil. Oh, it's from Hobby Lobby, it says. And then on the inside of the first pocket, oh, we have all this ephemera. I think this might be Hobby Lobby ephemera. It's so cute. So I'm just going to open it up quick. Now you see that jingle bell. You can't take it because you're going to eat it. I love this collection because it's like vintage, but it's whimsical at the same time. So, so pretty. Oh, thank you, Lisa. Love that. Oh, we've got a shaker pot. Oh, this is so cute. A little jar filled with hearts. Love Doodlebug. Oh, look at this cute little strawberry jam jar. That is adorable with the red twine, the red strawberry cabochon, the little shaker bits. Millie, you can't have that. And then, oh, tea, yummy. Organic calm chamomile. Oh, I need this so bad. I'm going to have this today for sure. Thank you. Oh, some more pencils. Very nice. Oh, so cute. This is so great. Word die. Oh, this is so pretty. Love from scrapbook.com, and it's got a shadow. No, you cannot eat that. And there are embossed hearts on the letters. So, oh, that's so pretty. I can't wait to use that. You cannot eat the, oh, this is what she wanted. She wanted the ribbons. And then I think there's some more tea. It fits so much, this die. Organic calm chamomile. Good. Another one of those. I will need that today after dealing with my toddler here. And then, oh, this beautiful die set from Chamel, Reasons to Smile. Oh, that's so pretty. This will go great in my planner, or just to like, this, you know what, this would be great to add to a blind date with the book if you stamp these out and cut them up, right? And that way the person who has the blind date with the book can fill these out and use them when they're writing the book or reading the book. So cute. Love these. And I love the little ice cream cone and the heart. Love that. That's so pretty. I am so sorry if I'm out of frame, you guys. I'm trying to watch Millie at the same time. She thinks this is for her. And then in the box, you decorated it so pretty with the pattern papers. And there's all sorts of goodies, a little bow, little gingham bows, which is great. I just love to have these pre-made and ready to go on projects. Another jingle bell, lots of little flat backs, some more love sequins. Oh, so cute pearls. This is beautiful. Thank you so much, Lisa. You did not have to do this, but I appreciate it so much, and I'm sorry if I was off frame there for a little bit. I really love everything. I will put it back together neatly to show off a little bit more, but right now I just want to move it over. So, well, Millie left, but she's off to some other adventure. But thank you so much. I really appreciate this, and I'm looking forward to seeing what else you make. So everyone, please follow Lisa. Again, I'll link her down below on Instagram. And I wanted to update you on my embroidery project. So let me get that out for a second. So if you've been watching me, you know I've been working on this pattern. It's called Visions of Sugar Plums from All Through the Night. So I've got most of the inside done. I haven't sewed on, like, these are called the pennies, I think. I haven't sewed those on yet. That'll be next, I'm pretty sure. Let me show you what I've got done so far. So this is how big it is. And it's a nice size, as you could see. So you could see the pattern. So right now I'm working on the peppermints. Got a sequin there. So I sewed on the white parts, and I have to add the little red parts and then the stitched wrappers at the end of there. I got to add the gumdrops as well. But I've got the cookies done, and the cookies, I don't know if you remember, I hauled some little beads from officesupply.com. Little seed beads, so I sewed those on to the sugar cookies. So there's the heart one, and I think they came out so pretty. There's the star, and then there's a Christmas tree one right there. I just love doing embroidery. If you guys are looking for just like something to do while you're watching TV or just sitting on the couch, and like, I like to have something to do all the time. I can't just sit there. So that's why I like to do handwork. The ribbon candy, I don't know if you could tell there, but I did 2 rows of stitches, one in red and one in green, just along the center to hold it down and to look kind of like a ribbon. There are candy canes there that you stitch the white part on first and then put the red part just like right on top of that. There's a little Gingy, he's so cute. There's some peanuts. There's like a top view. It's supposed to be a cupcake with the cherry on top and icing. And then an orange with a little navel on it. I don't know about you guys, but it was always a tradition in my family growing up to have an orange in your stocking. So my kids are adults now, but they still get stockings. I still put oranges in the toes of their stockings every year. And then the hardest part was doing this, the type, or the words, Visions of Sugar Plums danced in their heads. Because I know I mentioned this before, it's hard to get the words onto dark material or dark fabric or felt in this case. You have to use like a chalk pen and trace it, and every time you use chalk it kind of rubs off as you're going. So that was the worst part, and I did that first to get it out of the way. Let me just zoom out a little so you can see a little bit more. So anyway, I'm glad that's done. Oh, and there's another cupcake here, like a side view of a cupcake. So next I'm gonna finish the gumdrops and then sew on these guys, and then you back it with fabric. And then it'll be ready. It's just gonna be like a table mat. So I'll have it done for next Christmas. But I wanted to show you how it was coming, and I've hauled the felt that I've used, the little beads, a thread that I've gotten from Amazon, and I got some more from officesupply.com. I'll show that in this week's haul. So anyway, just something fun to do, and you know, creates a little keepsake too. So that is it for today. Just a quick little video. Thank you so much again, Lisa, for my beautiful happy mail. I love everything, and as you saw, Millie does too. I will be back soon with more crafty videos. And that is it for today. So have a wonderful day, and I'll be back soon. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I would love to have you here on my channel. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye-bye.